It's a 2009 Acura TSX, a race-derived suspension system, a cabin perfectly balanced between indulgent and sport. This TSX is modern luxury. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. External memory control, front heated leather bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auxiliary audio input, dual zone climate control, front wheel drive, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. New Car Test Drive reports the car takes corners at speed with noticeably more confidence and less body lean than the previous generation model, thanks in part to 2 1/2-inch wider track. Acura believes if there's a better way, take it. Take it for a test drive today. Come visit us at Ardmore Toyota today, where we believe in continuous improvement and respect for people and their time. We look forward to seeing you in Ardmore, where we light up Lancaster Avenue.